Curried favor, understanding the phrase. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, curried favor. This phrase might sound a bit strange, but it's packed with interesting history and meaning. So, let's explore it together and add another cool expression to your English vocabulary. The phrase, curried favor, has a colorful history. It originally comes from an old French tale about a horse named Fauvel. In the story, people would curry, or groom, Fauvel to gain favor with him, as he was a symbol of cunning and deceit. Over time, the phrase evolved to mean flattering or pleasing someone for personal gain. It's a vivid metaphor for how people sometimes groom or flatter others with an ulterior motive. In modern English, curried favor is often used in a slightly negative context. It implies insincerity or manipulation in the act of gaining favor. For example, she curried favor with her boss by always agreeing with his opinions, even when she didn't believe them. Politicians often curry favor with voters by making promises they might not keep. Using curried favor correctly can really spice up your conversational skills. Here are some tips. It's typically used in past tense like curried favor. Use it in contexts where someone is ingratiating themselves for personal benefit. For instance, he curried favor with the committee to secure the promotion. The artist curried favor with influential critics to gain popularity. And that's a wrap on curried favor. It's a phrase that packs history, metaphor, and a bit of intrigue. I hope this video has been enlightening and adds a new dimension to your English expressions. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.